Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Adrian. I'm COO of AllRead, one of the co-founders as well. I'm here with Miguel Silva, which is my partner in this venture. I'll start with a few seconds about AllRead. Originally a startup founded 5 years ago. Today, more of an established player in intermodal transport industry. We're 25 people. We operate in more than 10 countries, and we focus mainly on access automation software. A few weeks ago, we gave a class to MBA students of Georgia University, and actually the same topic as this panel came up about the interface between global supply chains and the regional, national, and local consumption and production markets, and how important this key entry point is on the whole quality and efficiency of the supply chain. And also the massive potential butterfly effect that one issue, one congestion, one crisis can provoke when happening at that point on the rest of the logistic chain. What I want to focus on today is actually the entrance of the terminals themselves, entrance by truck, by crane, and by rail, that have a critical impact on the journey of the container inside the terminal. That can create important waiting times, various hours in peak moments, and increase the average of turnaround time, which is a critical KPI in port operations. So despite the importance of these entries and exits in terminals, we estimate 98% of accesses are not automated, do not have OCR systems. So here's a fun fact. AllRead is the first one who implemented, actually I think still the only one that implemented rail OCR in Spain. We started with Hutchison Best, 2021, and went on with Bilbao Port, Algeciras Port, and more recently, we're just close to here, we have a few lanes rail in Valencia Port. So it's surprising because actually OCR is not a new technology. OCR is decades old in the port industry, but it was not implemented in Spain before, and one can ask why, right? And so actually the explanation is quite simple. It's just that in these specific players, the proportion of rail transport is not enough to justify an important investment in automation. So it's just that the business case of this specific automation process is fragile and not worth going through to execution. So what do we understand from that, from the AllRead side, is that basically by making access automation easy and affordable, we accelerate its adoption. We make it more acceptable for the terminals to go through with an implementation of such a system. So how do we do it? In AllRead, we leverage the benefits of AI and computer vision. I know AI has been a lot of a buzzword lately. We've been working with AI since researched already 10 years ago with our PhDs in our company. And basically we use the power of AI, these neural networks, to create robust models that can read, detect, analyze with highest accuracy standards. And thanks to that, we need less hardware to capture the data and have a more lightweight implementation, less hardware, less acquisition costs, less maintenance costs. So this is not only easier and more affordable, but it's also scalable. Scalable in the sense that one can try to implement first a road access and then scale up to other road accesses, other rail accesses, other crane accesses. Like in Algeciras Port, started with two road accesses, and we're now rolling out 24 rail and road. So it's a scalable platform that allows to accelerate actually the implementation of this solution, easy to integrate. I know integration has been a key element here, mentioned various times as one of the worries that a new technology, a new solution would be correctly interfaced. Here we're super standard, trying to be seamless in integration, as we have been doing in the PCS of Valencia Port, PCIS of Algeciras, the Scorpio system of Hutchison. I mean, name it, we just send the data and it's easily absorbed. So you would be surprised the quantity and quality of data we can extract from a single camera, and the impressive impact the control of this data and the use of this data can provoke on the process in access automation. So we've made it our mission by ensuring the return on investment of these access automation solutions to have this positive impact on intermodality and on more broadly the whole supply chain. So that's about us. We are working with around 30 clients now, and mostly in Europe and Latin America. Some of them are here today. And yeah, feel free to reach out if you have any questions after the panel. Thank you.
Thank you.